Assalamu alaikum. Are you looking for a delicious and nutritious way to start your day while also supporting your liver health? Well, you are in luck. Today, we are sharing our top breakfast ideas to help boost your liver function, detoxify your body, and set yourself up for a healthy and energized day. From antioxidant-rich foods to liver-loving nutrients, we'll dive into the best breakfast foods to support your liver health. So let's get started and cook up a healthy breakfast that will make your liver smile. Number 1, berry smoothie. Spinach frozen berries like blueberries, strawberries or raspberries, a banana, Greek yogurt, chia seeds, a splash of almond milk, and a drizzle of honey or a spoonful of nut butter. Rich in oxidants, fiber and protein, this bowl supports liver detoxification and helps maintain healthy liver function. Number 2, avocado toast with a side of fruit. The ingredients used in this technique is whole grain or sprouted bread, mashed avocado, a sprinkle of chia seeds or hemp seeds, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Serve with a side of fresh fruit like apple slices or berries. Benefits of these ingredients: avocados are high in healthy fats and fiber, which aid in liver health, while whole grain bread supports digestion. Number 3, oatmeal with nuts and berries. The ingredients used in these techniques is rolled oats cooked with almond milk or water, topped with fresh or frozen berries, and a handful of nuts like walnut or almonds, and a sprinkle of cinnamon. The benefits includes oats provide fiber for digestion, berries after antioxidants, and nuts add healthy fats, all of which contribute to liver health. Number 4, Greek yogurt part fat. Ingredients: Greek yogurt layered with fresh berries, a tablespoon of flaxseed or chia seeds, and a drizzle of honey. Benefits: Greek yogurt is a good source of protein, while berries and seeds add fiber and antioxidants. Number 5, spinach. Spinach and mushroom frittata. Ingredients: eggs or egg whites, fresh spinach, mushrooms, onions, and a sprinkle of cheese if desired. Cook in a skillet and bake until set. Benefits: eggs are rich in protein, while spinach and mushrooms provide vitamins and antioxidants beneficial for liver health. Number 6, chia seeds pudding. Ingredients: chia seeds soaked overnight in almond milk or coconut milk with added vanilla extract and a bit of maple syrup or honey. Topped with fresh fruit like berries or kiwi. Benefits: chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants which support liver function. Number 7, quinoa breakfast bowl. Ingredients: cooked quinoa mixed with almond milk, fresh fruit, a sprinkle of nuts or seeds, and a drizzle of honey or a dash of cinnamon. Benefits: quinoa is complete protein and high in fiber, making it great for maintaining a healthy weight and supporting liver health. Number 8, green smoothie. Ingredients: kale or spinach, a banana, frozen pineapple or mango, a scoop of protein powder which is optional, and a splash of water or coconut water. Benefits: green leafy vegetables provide essential vitamins and minerals, while fruits add natural sweetness and antioxidants. Number 9, sweet potato hash. Ingredients: diced sweet potatoes sauteed with onions, bell peppers, and a bit of olive oil. Add a poached or fried egg on the top if desired. Benefits: sweet potatoes are rich in fiber and vitamin A and C, which supports liver health. Number 10, nut butter and banana on whole grain toast. Ingredients: whole grain toast spread with almond butter or peanut butter, topped with banana slices and a sprinkle of chia seeds. Benefits: whole grains, nuts, and bananas provide fiber, healthy fats, and essential nutrients for liver health. These breakfast options combine nutritious ingredients that support liver health, aid digestion, and maintain overall well-being. And our today's topic is over here, and don't forget to eat well and stay healthy. Thank you.